Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to enable or how to activate dark mode on Google Gemini. So for Google Gemini for iPhones there is no direct setting. I will show you the settings. So there is no direct setting to activate dark mode or light mode, but the Gemini app follow the theme of your phone. So I will show you now. For example, the dark mode is now activated. If I want to deactivate it, I should go to display and brightness and change it my phone to light mode. And as you can see, the Gemini app now is on light mode. And to change it to dark mode, I have to click on dark. And as you can see, the Gemini now is on dark mode. So like that, you can activate the dark mode on Google Gemini app. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in